Chickens. I'll be up there here in a minute with Jens's food. Good morning, chickens. Now Jens will get your food here in a minute. Come on, let's go. How y'all doing this morning? Y'all hungry? Let's go get y'all some food. Let me pour out the chicken some food. Go Pros. Hi, Jack. You want a snack, old buddy? I'll get you one. Hi, Jack. Hi, buddy. Do you want one, Liza Jane? Here you go. Here you go, Jack. Here you go, bud. I'm gonna leave y'all in here with the plants while I go water the goats and chickens, and I'll show you all the plants off here in a few minutes. Alright, here's our plants. We've got most of them transplanted. We'll have a video coming up on that there, but we've got most of them transplanted. Right now we've got some suckers off of the early girl, and then we've got some cucumbers, and we've got some beans started in that there. Get a little head start on beans. But here's our plants there. Down here's Mama's flowers, the hollyhocks. And then, let's see, here's some of our little ones there. They still need transplanted. Most of our peppers down here. A few of the little tomato plants there that got transplanted there. There's some there. And then here's some of the ones that we got started in the styrofoam trays. And then I don't know what this is. I don't know. Mama don't have it labeled, but she probably has it wrote down. Here's our strawberries. Really starting to come along there, starting to get red on them. Hopefully soon we'll be able to try some there. And here are some of our bigger ones. All they need now is some warm weather, and the weather to cooperate, and we'll be able to start planting.